Hackers don't always enter through your login page. In fact, nearly 50% of login attacks happen through a hidden door called XML-RPC. So what is XML-RPC? How does it work? Why is it even there? And most importantly, should you disable it? If so, how you can safely disable it? In this video, I will walk you through all the detail. So let's get started. First of all, let's try to understand what is XML-RPC. Think of XML-RPC like a remote control. It lets other apps or tools control your WordPress site from away. Apps can use it to log in, publish posts, manage comments, and more. To make all this possible, WordPress uses a file called xmlrpc.php. This file is part of core files in WordPress. If your site runs on WordPress, this file is already there. And that's where the problem begins. Problem is XML-RPC file is always there and it is always open unless you block it. Hackers know this. They use it to brute force your site. And here is the worst part. To operate brute force attack to your website, hacker don't even need to visit your login page. So if you secure your login page, it doesn't help here. So the question is, should I disable it? For most people, yes, you should. If you never use a mobile app to post on your website, if you don't connect Jetpack or other external tools, then you don't need XML-RPC. It just sits here open to the world and waiting for trouble. So if you only log in through your browser like Chrome or Firefox, then go ahead and disable it. You will find this file at the root folder of your website. This is the file called xmlrpc.php. If you delete this file, WordPress next update will bring it here back. You can disable this file two ways, using a plugin or doing it manually. I will show you both. First, let's see how we can disable it using a plugin. WordPress is the most popular WordPress security plugin. If you are a WordPress user, then you can block it easily. Just go to Login Security, then click to the setting top right corner, scroll down and you will find Disable XML-RPC Authentication. Before disable this file, let's see how this XML-RPC look like in our website. After your website URL, type xmlrpc.php. This message means XML-RPC is enabled on your site. Let's disable it. Just click here, then save changes. That's it. Let's see. After your website URL, type xmlrpc.php. Hit enter. This means XML-RPC is disabled. So this is how you can disable XML-RPC through WordPress. If you don't use WordPress, there is a solution. Let me show you. Just hover over the plugins, then add new, search for disable XML-RPC. Just install and active this plugin. That's it. If you don't want to use a plugin to disable this, there is a solution. You can do that manually. Let's see how. Simply come to .htaccess file, then right click here and click to edit. This simple 3-line of code will disable XML-RPC file. Just write this code in htaccess. You can put anywhere in your htaccess file, then save it here. So this is how you can disable XML-RPC. XML-RPC is like a backdoor to your WordPress website. If you don't need it, disable it. Disabling xmlrpc.php can protect your site from brute force attacks, spam, and more. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online. See you in the next WP Bravo tutorial.